let's see if the backup camera's got anything different, which it does. Same as always, like last year, the 2020s, but this time we've got straight down on the Optimas, whereas we didn't. So we can add a tow hitch and line that ball up right with the trailer and back it on up, which this isn't a safe. There we go. You can back it right on up to the trailer hitch without having to get out. And if you're looking in that backup camera, you can see I'm going to line it up in here. And I never look back anymore because our cameras are so advanced, I just don't have to. I'll move it over just a wee bit so we both can get out. Alright, thanks again. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know I have. I appreciate my man here with the cam getting me out of the dealership for a minute. Bless you. God bless America. And all that good stuff there. So yeah. Take care.